Hi there everyone, how's it going? I hope you're all doing fine. As I said before, I checked out the used market and came across this joystick for the Xbox, and it's completely fine with no issues. I chose to purchase it, and we will go through it together in this episode. We will check if it operates correctly with us or not. Once I have the joystick, my initial task will be to clean it up quickly. After we finish the cleaning stage, I will bring the Xbox here. I turned on the device and entered the Mario game. I will connect the joystick directly to the screen by linking the Xbox. To ensure a clearer picture, I tried the joystick here. Every button worked perfectly, and I encountered no problems. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Xbox and whether you have used it before. Waiting for your comments.